In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use ClickUp docs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create a new document in your ClickUp workspace, personalize it for your projects, and even leverage ClickUp's AI feature to help generate content if you're feeling a bit stuck. Whether you're completely new to ClickUp or just haven't explored the docs feature yet, this step-by-step guide is tailored just for you. First things first, let's log into your ClickUp workspace. Your workspace is your home base in ClickUp, where all your tasks, projects, and tools hang out. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to do that. Once you're inside, take a brief tour to get familiar with how ClickUp organizes everything. Think of your workspace as the lobby of a large office building. Every door leads you to something important. Next up, you'll want to select the project you're working on. In ClickUp, projects are fantastic because they help keep all related tasks and documents neatly organized together. So, take a moment to scroll through your list of projects and click on the one where you'd like to create your new doc. If you're not entirely sure which project to choose, or if you're working solo, that's perfectly fine. You can always move your document later on, so just pick the project that makes the most sense for you right now. Now we're getting to the exciting part. At the top of your project view, you'll see a button labeled View. Go ahead and click on that. This button opens up a variety of different tools and layouts that ClickUp offers. You'll notice options like List View, Board View, and yes, the one we want, Doc. Look for the Doc option in that menu. It might be slightly tucked away if you haven't used it before, but that's where we need to go. Click on it, and you're signaling to ClickUp that you want to dive into creating a new or using an existing document right within your project workflow. Once the Doc page opens up, you'll be prompted to give your document a title. This may seem simple, but don't rush through it. Think of the title as similar to the label on a folder or the subject line in an email. It sets the tone for your doc and helps you easily locate it later. If you're jotting down meeting notes, you might name it Team Meeting June 2024, or if it's for brainstorming ideas, something like Ideas for Marketing Campaign could work really well. A clear and precise title helps you save time in the future and keeps your team aware of what they can expect. Now let's dive into the content, and this is where ClickUp's AI feature can really shine and assist you. If you find yourself staring at a blank page, not quite sure how to jump in, don't worry at all. ClickUp's built-in AI can step in to help you fill in the information. Inside the doc editor, you should see an option or prompt to use the AI. You can ask it to summarize a topic, write a draft for you, or even suggest bullet points. For instance, let's say you're creating a list of project goals. You can simply prompt the AI with your main idea, and it'll generate a starting template for you. It's like having a clever assistant by your side, ready to lend a hand whenever you need a little extra guidance. So to recap, you've successfully opened your workspace, selected your project, created a doc, given it a meaningful title, and even utilized AI to spark your creativity or enhance your ideas. And remember, at any point,